In physics, physical quantities are divided into two types. The first type is where we can describe that physical quantity just by the magnitude of that physical quantity. Such a type of physical quantity is known as a scalar quantity. What are the examples for scalar quantities? They could be distance, speed, time. All these are basic examples of a scalar quantities. The speciality of scalar quantities is that we cannot plot them on graph paper. Okay. Now another type of physical quantities can be described not just by magnitude but also by direction. If we are not using direction, then we will not be able to describe that physical quantity completely. So we will have to use magnitude along with the direction to explain that physical quantity. That type of physical quantity is known as vector quantity. Okay, so vector quantities, they have direction. Now what are the examples of vector quantity? Displacement, velocity and acceleration. Distance I can describe just by magnitude. Displacement I cannot describe just by magnitude. I need direction to describe it. Like that only speed I can describe it just by magnitude. Okay. If I add direction to that magnitude, that speed will become velocity. Okay. It is analogous. Distance is analogous to displacement and speed is analogous to velocity. Only thing is that we are adding direction with the magnitude to make distance as displacement and to make speed as velocity. Okay. And because these are vector quantities, we can plot them on graph paper. Okay. Now this was a introduction about scalar and vector quantities. Now when we talk about vector quantities, first basic example which comes in our mind is displacement. Now in order to explain the displacement, I have a picture here. You can see that one boy is there. He is standing at home. Maybe he will go to school and he will come back from school. Okay, these are the two situations. In the first situation, the boy is going to school. And the matter of concern here is, how is the boy going to school? Is he using this path? I mean to say, is he going from A to B and then B to C? Okay, maybe he is going the same way. Then what is the distance traveled by that boy now? Till he goes to school, the distance traveled by that boy is 3 meter plus 5 meter. Means he covered a distance of 8 meters to reach his school. Okay. Now maybe he came back like this, from C to D and then from D to A. He came back to his home. Now what is the distance he traveled while coming back from school to home? It is again 3 meter plus 5 meter. It is 8 meters. Okay, this is the distance he traveled. Now what is the total distance that boy traveled that day? The total distance that boy traveled that day is, while going to school, he traveled 8 meters. While coming back, again he traveled 8 meters. The total distance he traveled is 16 meters. Okay. Now, there is no guarantee that he traveled only using this path, right? He must have used another path also. This path also he must have used. Correct? Now, this is a shortcut distance to his school, right? He used a shortcut distance to go. Correct? Now, that shortcut distance is known as displacement. Okay? It is the shortest distance between initial and final position of the body. That is your displacement. Now, we told that the distance traveled by that boy is total distance I am talking. Total distance traveled by that boy is 16 meter. But just while going, the distance traveled is 8 meter. Okay. Now what is the displacement of that boy just while going? Just while going to the school I am telling. Just while going to the school, this 8 meter was distance, right? What is the displacement of that boy? To find the displacement, which is the shortest distance, you can use Pythagoras theorem now, right? So my AC square, will be equal to AD square plus CD square. This is my Pythagoras theorem, right? Now my AC is the shortest distance or the displacement. This will be equal to square root of 5 square plus 3 square. This will be equal to square root of 25 plus 9. This will be equal to square root of 34. Correct? So this square root of 34 is very much less than 8 meters, right? It is less than 8 meters. Correct? Because see, root of 36 will come out to be 6, right? So root of 34 is less than 6. Correct? So that less than 6 means 6 meter is less than 8 meter only, right? So my displacement is less than 8 meter. This is my displacement. Okay, I hope you understood now. The difference between distance and displacement. Okay. Just while going from home to school, if you consider only that situation, the boy, he traveled 8 meters while going to school if he used this path ABC. If he just used this path AC, he traveled the distance which is less than 8 meters. Okay, it is approximately equal to 6 meters. Correct? So this was 8 meters. This is approximately 6 meters, which is the shortest distance. Okay. Now, in distance, direction is not mattering. Correct? Because see, while going also, he is doing 8 meters. While coming also, he is doing 8 meters travel. Correct? But in displacement, while going, he did plus 6 meter. And while coming, he did minus 6 meter. If I take the situation wherein he is going and coming back to home, in that situation, the displacement will be equal to 0. Okay, the displacement will be equal to 0. Means the boy, he went from home to school. In the evening, he came back from school to home. Means he is present at home only, right? So the displacement is 0 now. Because he went 6 meters, he came back 6 meters. It is plus 6 meter and minus 6 meter. So displacement became 0. Whereas distance, it was 16 meters. The distance he traveled is 16 meters. Okay. I hope you understood the concept of distance and displacement now. Now to make the concept of distance and displacement more clear, we can solve one problem. This is the problem. This is actually from a HSTR 2015 question paper. Okay. This is a HSTR 2015 question paper question. So the question is, a body is moving in a circular path of diameter 14 centimeter. After time t, it completes one rotation and comes to the original position. The displacement and distance travelled by this body respectively are. You know the meaning of word respectively, right? They want you to find the displacement first. Means in the options they have given 4 options, right? In the options there are 2 values in each option. So your first value should be displacement. Your second value should be distance. Okay. Now what is the difference between distance and displacement? I have a picture here for you. You can more clearly understand the difference between distance and displacement. Distance means how much path that body has covered, how much path that body has traveled. That is distance. Displacement means the final position minus initial position of that body. Okay. That is your displacement. Now we have to find the displacement and distance, and the situation is that there is one circular path and the diameter of this circular path is 14 centimeter. That means the radius of this circular path will be 7 centimeter. Okay. If this is O, the AO and OB will be 7 meter or 7 centimeter. Actually 7 centimeter. It's 7 centimeter is the question, right? So 7 centimeter. After some time t, it completes one rotation and comes to the original position. Means the body will start from A and after some time t, it will come back to its original position A. Now with this situation, I have to find the displacement and distance traveled by that body. Okay. Now what is given? Given is a diameter is equal to 14 centimeter. With this I can say that my radius is 7 centimeter, right? Now the body completes one rotation, means distance traveled by the body is nothing but the circumference of the circle, right? Correct? Distance traveled should be equal to the circumference of the circle. One complete rotation means. Now what is the circumference of the circle? We know that it is 2 pi r, right? Now they are also telling that the body came back in its original position. That means displacement is 0. In the previous example, we told that the boy came back to his home, right? At that time, we told that the displacement of that boy is 0. Why? The body came back to its original position. If the body comes back to original position, then the displacement will be 0. So I got answer 1 first. First answer I got. Now I want second answer. Second answer is what? Distance. This distance will be equal to 2 into pi, 22 by 7 into r, which is 7 centimeter. So 7 will get cancelled and distance will be 44 centimeter. So my one is 0 and my second one is 44 centimeter. So option 4 will be the correct answer. Okay. So this is how you have to interpret the given question. Try to imagine, or if possible make a diagram and then try to solve it. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahartethstrcourses. I hope that you liked this dynamics class about scalars and vectors. This was a part from one of my paid class. Finally, I am here for the announcement of a second batch of HSTR PM course. I know you all were waiting for this announcement. So that's why without delay, I am here for the announcement. Today, I am opening the registration. Okay. Today, that is December 3rd, 2022, I am opening the registration. You all can register for HSTR PM course batch 2. What you have to do is, you have to mail me the screenshot of payment along with your name, email ID and phone number. Okay. Of course, you have to mention that you are registering for HSTR PM course batch 2. Okay. Batch 2 you have to write in the mail, and also you have to write your name, email ID and phone number. Okay. These are the two QR codes. You can use any one QR code for fee payment. And sometimes you have problem while paying the fee of more than 2000 rupees. At that time, what you can do is you can pay it 2 times. Means once you can pay 2000 rupees and then you pay 1500. Then you have to mail me the screenshots of both payments, and you should mail those screenshots in one mail only. Okay. See, what is very important for me is your email ID. Okay, I am telling this again and again. Why? Because you can watch my recorded classes only through your mail. That's why I need your mail. Okay. If you mail me only, I will be able to enroll you. Okay. Now regarding the course, many of you all are asking. I have made a tentative schedule. Okay. You can find the tentative schedule link in the description below this video. If you click that link, it will take you to one PDF file. In that file, I have tentative schedule and also I have QR code. Okay. My humble request is please first see the schedule. Read the schedule properly. Whatever I have written in that schedule, read it properly. Then only you decide whether you want to join my course or no. Okay. Please do that. And another request is that please join the classes only if you trust in me. Okay. By watching my YouTube free classes are there. So many are there. I think around the 30 classes are there for HSTR only. Take any one class from the HSTR playlist, which are all free classes in this channel, YouTube channel. Take any one class as a demo lecture. Okay. Please watch any one class, then only decide whether you want to join my HSTR course or no. Okay. So this was about the fee payment. Rest I told you about the tentative schedule. That tentative schedule is planned keeping in mind the availability of my free YouTube classes in this YouTube channel, Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Okay, I have already posted many free classes. So those classes I am not including in the paid classes because already they are available, right? So we don't want to waste much time. That's why I have done like that, because notification is expected soon somewhere, isn't it? The news is that notification may come, I think, within this month only. Okay, somewhere it is very near only. So much I can say now. Okay. Now next is, of course, I will give you recorded classes. I will mail them to you from Monday to Friday at 8:30 p.m. daily. And then Saturday, Sunday, new classes will not be mailed, but you can ask all your doubts of that week in one dedicated Telegram group, which will be created just for your batch only. Okay, because many people are working, no, and many mothers are also there who are HSTR aspirants. So it is not possible for them to watch the classes regularly during weekdays. That's why Saturday, Sunday, you can complete the pending classes, and you can also clear your doubts in the Telegram group. Okay. Along with that class, every time, along with that class only, when I will mail that recorded class, with that class only, I will mail the notes of that class. Okay. It will be a PDF format and you all can take the printout also. Okay. And not only notes, I will give a few worksheets also, some study material also, especially for mathematics. I'll be giving worksheets. Okay. Physics, though, my class only will be so big and my notes only will be so lengthy that you will not need a separate thing. But mathematics, you need more practice, right? That's why I'll be giving you worksheets and study material. Okay. Not only that, I may also give you soft copies of ICSE high school chapters of mathematics, which all are there in the HSTR syllabus, and even NCERT chapters wherever needed, no, especially in mathematics, class 11 chapters are there, no, those NCERT chapters also I will mail you. Okay. Whatever you need, I will give you. Only thing is that you have to work hard and have a strong aim. Your focus should be towards the exam only, towards HSTR only. Okay. And along with physics and maths, I have also planned for a few GK classes of science. Then English grammar, I will complete the full portion. Computer knowledge, I have planned, I think, 7 classes. Mental ability, very few classes are there. Okay. You can see all that in the tentative schedule. Everything is written in that schedule. So please go in the description below this video, click that link, and please do go through the tentative schedule. Okay. So whoever is interested to join HSTR PM course, please do enroll as soon as possible. Registrations are open from December 3rd. Okay. And classes will start from December 12th, 2022. Okay. If you are interested in joining, please do try to register before 12th December, because again you will lag behind. Of course, you can watch the recorded classes till your examination. That is not a problem. Once you enroll into my course, you will be able to watch all the recorded classes any time, how many number of time you want, till your exam date. That is not a problem. But if you want to watch the classes along with my schedule, then it is better you should register before 12th December. Okay. So that you can also follow the timetable which I have made. Okay. That will be better for you. If you follow the timetable, within time you can finish the syllabus and you can start the revision. Okay. By that time, I am strongly hoping that notification will come. And also you can join my Telegram channel. The link will be given in the description. If you want more details and if you want to stay updated with us, then please join the Telegram channel. Okay. The link will be given in the description. Okay. So let's together Try and work hard to crack this examination and get this job. Okay. Thank you. Bye.